Hey, join me on this journey as I take on the challenge of transforming my daily routine to build wealth faster than ever before. Because let's be real, wealth doesn't just magically happen. It's all about being intentional and consistent. Those small, everyday habits, they're the real MVPs when it comes to financial glow-ups. Now, I know a lot of us want to build wealth, but life gets in the way. Work, kids, Netflix, whatever. It feels like there's no time left to deal with money stuff. And even if we know what we should be doing, sometimes motivation is just not motivating. And don't even get me started on how confusing personal finance can be, like you're out here thinking you're making smart money moves, but turns out, you're actually just spinning your wheels. Been there, done that, got the overdraft fee, another big one, no accountability. Most of us are trying to figure it out solo. No plan, no support, just vibes. That's a tough way to build wealth. And let's not ignore the fear factor. Fear of messing up, fear of taking risks, fear of the unknown. Fear's a sneaky little thief of progress. Then, there's mindset. If deep down you believe you're not meant to be wealthy or that money is somehow bad, it's gonna be real hard to make those coins multiply. Your money mindset matters a lot more than you think. But good news, there's a fix for all of this. Alright, let's talk about daily habits that actually move the needle. Saving something every day, even if it's just a few bucks. It really adds up over time, trust me. Investing regularly, especially in those retirement accounts, that's how you let your money grow while you sleep. And hey, reading or listening to personal finance content, podcasts, audiobooks, YouTube, whatever works for you, is a game changer. Learn while you're cooking or commuting. Multitasking for the win, right? Oh, and budgeting and tracking expenses, that's a big one. You've got to know where your money's going. Spoiler alert, it's probably more on food delivery than you thought. Let's not forget paying down debt, especially those high-interest credit cards. They're basically charging you rent to be broke, and nobody's got time for that. And finally, building multiple streams of income. Side hustles, digital products, dividend stocks. The more, the merrier. It's all about creating options for yourself. But here's the real gem. The most powerful wealth-building habit, investing in yourself. Seriously, take the course, learn the skill, read the book, say yes to that mentorship opportunity. The more you grow, the more your income grows with you. It's like a cheat code for life. People who invest in themselves don't just survive financially, they thrive. And that's what we're aiming for here, right? Thriving, not just getting by. And look, don't worry, I'm not telling you to overhaul your whole life overnight. Start small, like 10 minutes a day small. Consistency is your best friend here. Stack those little wins, and suddenly, you're not just dreaming about wealth, you're living it. How cool is that? So, if you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, drop a comment below and let me know your daily money habit. Or hey, the one you're gonna start today. And don't forget to check out my other video on smart money tips and fast-track wealth strategies. Let's build this together. One day, $1, one habit at a time. You've got this.